Hello, grade 6 monolingual students. Here is Reden Private School and I am your English teacher. You have your books in front of you. Please get it out and open your student's book at page 3. Okay, here we have this chant. We read it together. Listen and match the verses to the pictures. Then say, okay, Omar's week. From Sunday to Thursday, do you do arts and crafts? Twice a week. Twice a week. I have an art class. From Sunday to Thursday, what do you usually do? I usually watch DVDs. I read some books too. On Fridays and Saturdays, what do you never do? I never get up early. I don't go to bed early. Do you? And what about your free time? What are your hobbies, Omar? I sometimes make model planes. I collect comic books too. Okay, here in this chant we have many verbs. We have, for example, have an art class. Have an art class. Okay, which tense have we used here? The present simple. It's the present simple of the verb have. Okay. From Sunday to Thursday, what do you usually do? I usually watch DVDs. Usually watch DVDs. What is the verb here? The verb is watch. The verb is watch. When do you usually watch TV? I usually watch TV. When do you usually watch TV? I usually watch DVDs, not TV. So with usually, we used the present simple. I read some books. I read some books when? I usually read some books. So with usually, we use the present simple. Okay? On Fridays and Saturdays, do you never do? I never get up early. I never get up early. So here is the verb, and we use also the present simple because we have the word never. It's the indicator, the time word to use the present simple. I don't go to bed early. I don't go to bed early. Okay, here is the negative. Do you? And what about your free time when you are free? What do you do? What are your hobbies, Omar? I sometimes make model planes like this, okay? I collect comic books like this. So they told us to match them. So this verse goes with what? From Sunday to Thursday, do you do arts and crafts? Yes, here is arts and crafts. So here is F. This verse goes with F. 2. From Sunday to Thursday, what do you usually do? I usually watch DVDs. Yeah, good. On Fridays and Saturdays, what do you never do? I never get up early. So it goes with the D. This verse goes with C. And this verse goes with D. And on. And I don't go to bed early. Do you? It's D also. Now, the last verse. And what about your free time? What do you do in your free time? What are your hobbies? Do you play football? Do you read books? Huh? Omar, I sometimes make model planes. I collect comic books too. So with sometimes we use the present simple. The verb is make with I. So we say I make. I make models, model planes. When sometimes we use the present simple. Read activity 1 again and complete the sentences about Omar. 1. Omar has dash Twice a week. What does it mean twice? It means 2 times. 2 times a week. Yes. How many times? How often does Omar have an art class? He has an art class twice a week. Yes. So we write here an art class. So we cancel the brackets here and we write an art class. 2. On weekdays, Omar usually have what? We need a verb here. Usually have what? Weekdays. What does it mean, weekdays? Weekdays means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, not Friday and not Tuesday. So he has what? He has an art class, or no. He has. Uh, mm, yes, he has an art class, or he watches DVDs, or he reads some books. Okay, so you can write here usually watches DVDs or reads some books. At the weekends, you know what's the weekend? It's Friday and Saturday. Omar never what here? Never gets up early. Because here we have he, with he the verb takes an S and we say Omar never gets up early. Okay, here we have early, opposite of late, we say early. When you go to school at 7 o'clock, you go early. But when you go to school at 8 o'clock, you go late. Okay, opposite of early, late. Opposite of big, small. Opposite of tall, short. Opposite of early, what is it? Late. Late. Omar's hobbies are making what? Are making, we find here making, making model planes. Are making what? Model planes. Here is the verb, the word, sorry, model planes. And what? And collecting. Collecting what? Comic books like this. Okay, like these. Okay, comic books. So, Omar's hobbies are making model planes and collecting comic books. So, this is lesson number 1. We continue after with the grammar part. Good. Your homework is, I want you to read this 3 times, please. Read this chant 3 times. And you write the 4 sentences on your notebooks, please. You read the 4 sentences and you write the answers in your notebook. Please write it down with a good handwriting. Yes, very good. See you soon.